Welcome. In front of me I have the Logitech Signature Comfort Pulse mouse, the M850L, and that's a mouthful, but anyway, I will be going over unboxing along with a quick look at this tiny little mouse. Okay, so let's see, one of the features right here, or some of the features, was 24M. What is that? I think that's months. So basically a two-year battery life. We have comfort, cushion, huh? Okay, I guess I will check that out. Silent touch, and yeah, I'll just get into it. Now there's pull tabs, but I don't feel like screwing around with those. Okay, so we have 3 different modes that you can choose, and holding it for 3 seconds, I presume it just enters the Bluetooth pairing mode. Okay, and here the mouse, and that actually is a cushion, damn! That's kind of cool. Ooh, and basically silent switches, I like that. Have a 1 battery in here, cool. It's not just Bluetooth, right? No way. Is this seriously just Bluetooth? Let me quickly check. Looks like it is just Bluetooth. Well, that's a little bit of a shame. So for kind of office use, this is a little bit less than optimal, I would say. Would have been great if it has Bluetooth along with a dongle so you can plug it in, but it doesn't. But in general, it feels like a solid mouse. It is Logitech. I personally do like Logitech. I've used mine for a pretty long time. Just this one right here, the G305. Now this was, or is, I'm not sure, well, like a gaming mouse. I had like a freaking, what is it, 18,000 DPI or some insane garbage like that. But it's been retired. It died after about a decade. Sad to let it go, but it needs to be replaced. So anyway, this is pretty solid. I really like the very silent switches. So let me just kind of bring it right, and just so you can see how far this is. So there we go. In terms of work mouse, because that's what I would consider this to be, like a more of a work mouse, it's honestly pretty solid. The ergonomics of it are good, not the best, but they're pretty good, at least for my hand. The cushion is more for like your not knuckles, but whatever you want to call those here. So it's not really like your palm sitting on it, it's just more of the bones right here. And yeah, everything seems to be placed what I would consider pretty nice spacing, so feels very good in hand. It's on a bit of a kind of like a smaller feeling side, just because it is a bit tall, just to show you this from the side, compared to like a normal mouse. So your hand is kind of more of like, it's kind of, you know, has this shape to it. And also from the side you can see that it is angled towards, like sloped to the downside right here. So anyway, solid mouse. Would have been absolutely fantastic if it actually had other modes than just Bluetooth, which I am Very sad that there isn't. It would have been absolutely phenomenal if it did. But anyway, that's about it. Just a simple mouse, not much to it. Okay, let's quickly check. Does it say what the DPI here is? So some action rings, whatever the hell that is. A smart wheel. Oh, that's cool. So it has one of those like wheels that just kind of spins for longer if you just do the quick little spin like this. So the movement isn't that great on it. It stops pretty fast. Here we go. But it has individual kind of steps that just kind of disappear when you spin faster. Kind of like that. Now, anything else in here? Nope, that's about it. Okay, so there we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.